the ayah that stopped him from giving up. He was ready to walk away from everything: his faith, his dreams, his own life. One more breath felt like a mountain to carry. And in that breaking moment, Allah placed one verse in his heart, the breaking point. It wasn't one problem. It was everything, all at once. The door he prayed for slammed shut. The person he trusted, gone. The peace he needed, silence. He stood at the edge of his own soul and thought, Allah has forgotten me. And then, a whisper, from a memory he didn't know he still had. The verse that spoke, قُلْ يَا عِبَادِيَ الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَى أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِنْ رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. He didn't just hear it, he felt it. O my servants, Allah was calling him, who have transgressed. Allah knew his mistakes. Do not despair, a direct divine command. The holding on. He didn't find a solution that day. He didn't find money or a miracle or a way out. He found a handhold, one verse, one rope from the most merciful, and he held on. Not because his pain vanished, but because he now knew, even in his despair, Allah was addressing him by name. The revelation. He stood, walked to the window, placed a hand on the glass. Light fills the frame. That verse wasn't just a verse, it was an anchor. It was a lifeline thrown into his storm. And he realized Allah's mercy doesn't arrive only after the struggle ends. It is present in the word that keeps you breathing, in the phrase that keeps your heart beating, in the ayah that stands between you and the abyss. Memorize this verse. Carry it in your chest, because one verse can keep a soul alive. Like this video if this reminder reached you. Share it. You never know who is holding on by a thread. Subscribe for content that turns hearts back to Allah. Comment, Alhamdulillah, He never abandons His servants. Do not despair of the mercy of Allah, for He is the forgiving and the merciful.